And then there's the common cough. Whether it's a tickle in your throat or a full-blown coughing fit, Manuka honey can come to your rescue. Its soothing properties calm the irritation, providing immediate relief. So the next time you're kept awake by a persistent cough, remember that a spoonful of Manuka honey may just do the trick. In essence, Manuka honey is more than just a delicious spread for your toast. It's a natural balm for wounds, a guardian for your oral health, and a soothing elixir for coughs. So it's not just a sweet treat, but a natural healer, too.